Welcome back, friends, to Average Joe's Barbecue. On today's episode, we're going to be doing cranberry smoked meatballs. This is going to be absolutely delicious side dish for your holiday gathering or event. You're not going to want to miss it. Stay tuned. Welcome back. This is an incredibly simple recipe, guaranteed to be a hit at your next event. And let's just go ahead and get started. So to start with, I got some pre-made frozen meatballs. Now, if you have a meatball recipe of your own and you want to use it, by all means, go ahead and do that. But for the ease of use of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and use these. We're going to put those in its own separate tin. Okay. And then for the cranberry sauce, I'm going to start with 1 can of gelled cranberry, like that. We have about 1 cup of brown sugar. And I got 1 jar of barbecue sauce. Now, use whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is. This is what I had on hand, so this is what I'm going to use. All that in there. All right. And then to kind of add a little heat to all the sweet we got going on here, I got some Sriracha sauce. Again, completely optional step, but this will really help break down all the sweetness of the sugars in this. So, and again, if you use this, kind of just go to taste. I'm going to do probably about 2 tablespoons. Should be fine. I'm going to go ahead and take that, let's kind of mix it in. Get everything incorporated here. When you get that mixed, it should look something like that. Now, the reason I am using 2 separate tins is simply this. I want to give the smoke a chance to infuse a little bit on the meatballs themselves, as well as the sauce mixture itself. Now, you could put these together and throw them in there and probably be just fine, but I want a little bit more smoky flavor with these, so I'm going to do it this way and then combine them at the end. So let's head on over to the grill. I'll see you over there. Welcome back. We're here at the Cuisinart Claremont today. We're going to be running this thing at about 225 degrees, and we'll be using apple. I plan to expect probably about an hour for the first part and maybe about 30 minutes for the second part. So for the first hour, we're just going to smoke these individually and let that smoke infuse and, you know, make this meatball goodness. So let's go ahead and get rid of it. Now that those are in there, we're going to go ahead and let those run for about an hour. About every 15 or 20 minutes, I am going to be stirring the cranberry sauce mixture just to make sure we get more exposure as much as we can to that sauce mixture itself. Again, optional step, but that's what I prefer to do. So we're going to go ahead and let this go for an hour, and I'll bring you back. Welcome back, everyone. So it's been about an hour. We're going to go ahead and give these things a check and see what's happening. All right. Meatballs, smoking for about an hour there. And we've got a cranberry sauce mixture. And that looks good. It smells really good. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to combine the two. So we can let these things simmer in these things. And we're going to let that go for probably about half an hour. So let's go get them in there. Want to mix them up a bit, make sure they're all covered. The idea, these things are fully cooked, as you know, so the idea is just to really just let them simmer, let them get that cranberry flavor, get some more smoke on there, and then they'll be ready to eat. So get them all well incorporated. Oh man, they smell good. All right, throw this back on. All right, about half an hour longer. We'll bring it back. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone. It's been about half an hour. Let's give these things a check. Smells so good. All right, folks, we're gonna go ahead and get these plated and bring you back for the taste test. Be right back. Welcome back, folks. Got these pulled and plated. Get a close-up on this. If you could only smell what these smell like, these smell amazing. So let's go ahead and give them taste it. Cheers, folks. Oh my. That is really good. Holy smokes. Instantly, it's sweetness, the brown sugar, cranberry, just a touch of smoke. These are really good. Folks, if you were to serve these at your next gathering, these would not stick around long. Highly recommend you double or triple the batch because these are really, really good. If you like what you saw here today, folks, consider hitting like and subscribe. If you have an idea, something you'd like to see on the channel, leave a comment below. I answer every single one personally. So until next time, folks, take care and keep on smoking.